Kamala Falls.
You won't believe this hike to Kamala Falls. Our journey started deep in the forest.
We pushed through dense trails and inclines.
Along the way, we found some really incredible spiritual spots which added a unique touch to our trek.
Har Har Mahadev.
Then, after all that effort, we finally arrived. Diving into that clear, cool water was the perfect reward. This adventure was everything I hoped for and more.